In this video we can talk about top 5 Lordicon alternatives and competitors. Hey all, great to have you back on our Alternatives Co channel to finding amazing alternatives to your favorite tools and software. In today's video, we'll walk you through incredible alternatives to Lordicon, a platform that empowers you to add captivating animations to your projects. The top 5 best alternatives of Lordicon, which are Looka, Logo.com, Animaker, Pixteller, and Logomaker. From intuitive logo makers to comprehensive design platforms and animation tools, these alternatives will leave you awestruck. Let's jump right in and explore these alternatives that will ignite your imagination. First up on our list is Looka. Looka is an innovative online logo maker that enables you to create stunning logos effortlessly. It offers features like logo design, customized templates, and easy-to-use editor. With its user-friendly interface and extensive library of design templates, Looka empowers businesses and individuals to craft professional logos in no time. And not to forget, it comes with one of the standout features, which is its ability to craft a logo that truly represents your brand. Moving on to our second alternative, we have Logo.com. Logo.com is a popular logo design platform that offers an intuitive editor, allowing you to customize your logo within minutes. It comes with features like custom design, premium templates, and business name generator. It is a great alternative for businesses looking for an easy and affordable way to create custom logos for their business. And one of its standout features that truly sets it apart is its instant logo generation feature, where you simply input your company name and industry, and the platform generates multiple logo options. Next on our list is Animaker. Animaker is an all-in-one video animation software that empowers you to create captivating, animated videos. It offers features like GIF video making, live video editing, and facial expressions. Whether you're looking to create explainer videos, promotional videos, or even animated presentations, Animaker has got you covered. It also comes with a standout feature which lies in its vast library of pre-built characters and templates. Our fourth alternative is Pixteller. Pixteller is an all-in-one design platform that offers a wide array of tools for creating eye-catching visual content. It offers features like photo editor, animation maker, and animation timeline. From social media graphics and banners to animated videos and presentations, Pixteller provides a seamless design experience. And one of the standout features of Pixteller that you must definitely know about is its ability to animate static designs, bringing an extra layer of dynamism to your creations. Finally, we have Logomaker. Logomaker is a design tool that simplifies the logo creation process, offering an extensive selection of icons, fonts, and colors to design your perfect logo. It offers features like professional templates, business card maker, and customizable logo designs. With its real-time preview, you can experiment with various elements and create a logo that truly represents your brand. The standout feature of Logomaker is its comprehensive symbol library, providing an endless array of visually appealing icons to choose from. Compared to Lordicon, Looka offers extensive logo design experience and comes with a vast library of design templates to let you customize every aspect of your logo. Logo.com, on the other hand, comes with an intuitive editor, allowing you to further customize your chosen logo with fonts, colors, and icons. Then you have Animaker, a powerful platform that provides a wide range of pre-built characters, props, and templates, allowing you to bring your ideas to life in a visually stunning way. Pixteller is an all-in-one design platform that offers a diverse range of tools for creating eye-catching visual content and offers a seamless design experience. Logomaker simplifies the logo creation process and offers a real-time preview feature that enables you to create a logo that truly represents your brand. After exploring their amazing features and offerings, we would surely recommend Pixteller as the best alternative to Lordicon. With its robust design platform and a wide array of tools, Pixteller empowers you to create visually striking animations and designs that leave a lasting impression. We hope this video has helped you in your quest to find the perfect alternative to Lordicon. Also remember, each of these alternatives brings its own unique features and benefits, allowing you to explore new avenues and unlock your creative potential. Thanks for watching. Please like and share this video if you find it useful. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon to get notified when we create more such useful videos.